There is an AI influencer named Nava with more than 700K followers, collaborating with big brands and earning millions of dollars. You might also know Aitana Lopez, who has worked with brands like Schiaparelli, Diesel, Razer, and The Ordinary. Then there is Mila Sofia, who crossed 500K followers and is now getting brand deals. And even Shudu is working with companies like Asus and Sony. The interesting thing is, none of these influencers exist in real life, but still, they are generating serious income. And behind all of them, there is just one normal person, someone like you and me. Also, most of these top AI influencers are created using tools like OpenArt, which makes this workflow even more powerful. Now, one more important thing. Right now, you also have a chance to win part of a $90,000 prize pool. OpenArt and Fanvue are hosting one of the hottest AI influencer competitions, with 38 winning spots and prizes given out every week. There's only about 1 week left, so if you're interested, this is a great time to start. Also, for many of them, this is not even their main source of income. It is just a secondary stream. I will talk about that later in the video. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a realistic and consistent AI influencer. We will also solve the biggest problem most beginners face. The face looks fake, like plastic, and it keeps changing. Because of that, people don't trust it. And without trust, it is very difficult to grow or get brand deals. Alright, let's start. So the tool we are going to use today is OpenArt AI. You can find the link in the description below. Just sign up from there. Also, the influencers I showed earlier are created using tools like this, so the workflow is proven. Now, once you open OpenArt, you will see the dashboard. The first step is not image generation. First, you need to create a character. This is very important. Think of it as building an identity. Once created, you can reuse the same character in different images and videos. So go to the Character section and click on Create Character. Here you will see 3 options. Start from an image, describe your character, or build it from scratch. I will choose to build from scratch so you can understand the process clearly. Now here, you will see different style options. Since we are creating a fashion influencer, I will select the fashion category. After that, choose gender, ethnicity, and age group. For example, I will select female, Caucasian, and young adult. There is also an additional description box. This is optional, but I recommend using it. You can add a simple prompt here to guide the AI. Now select the number of images and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you will get multiple character options. As you can see, the quality is quite good. Proper lighting, clean face, and realistic structure. Now you just need to select one character. You can also edit it if needed. Click on Edit, type what you want to change, and apply it. The system will generate new variations while keeping the face consistent. Once you are satisfied, click on Set as Character. Give it a name and create it. Now your AI influencer is ready. Next, click on Use and select the character image. This will take you to the image generation section. Now here, we need to train the model for consistency. This means we will generate multiple angles of the same face so that the AI understands the structure properly. Select the image model. We will use Nano Banana 2. Then use a simple prompt like, rotate head slightly 10 degrees to the right. Eyes still looking forward. Keep it simple. Select the aspect ratio and resolution. You can go up to 4K, but I recommend starting with 1K. Once you are satisfied, you can upscale later. Now generate the image. You will notice that only the angle has changed, but the face remains the same. This is exactly what we want. Now repeat this process with different angles. For example, rotate head slightly 30 degrees, and so on. In this way, generate at least 20 different angles. This step is very important for maintaining consistency. Once done, you can use any of these images as a reference. Now select one image and click on Reference Image. After that, upload an outfit image that you want the model to wear. You can also upload a background image. Alright, now you can mention the image using then write a prompt like, she is wearing this exact outfit. After that, press Shift and again to mention the outfit image. Then add another line like, using this outfit and studio background for a photo shoot, and mention the background image as well. Generate the image. You will see that the model is now wearing the new outfit, and the background is also applied properly. The face remains consistent, and the quality is maintained. Similarly, you can add accessories. For example, you can upload a cap and write a simple prompt like, she is wearing a cap. The result will look natural. So keep experimenting, add new accessories, outfits, and change the location. Right. You can also upscale any image by clicking on Upscale. Choose the upscale mode, select the version, and make sure to turn on enhancement for better output. then hit generate. And boom, your image is now upscaled. Just look at the difference between before and after. The image is now much sharper, cleaner, and more detailed. If you want multiple angles for social media posts, just click on Change Camera Angle, select the camera type, and enable Create All Angles. This will generate multiple angles in one click. All images will have consistent face and high quality. Now here, you'll also see an Edit Image option. Using this, you can modify your image further. So I'll click on it. It will take you to a new dashboard. Here, you'll find multiple options for generating or editing images, but one feature I personally find very useful is the Annotate tool. With this, you can simply brush over the area where you want to add something. For example, if I want to place a bag in the model's hand, I'll just brush that area and type a prompt like, "Hold a luxury handbag," and then hit generate. Within a second, the image will be edited. In the same way, I uploaded a cap here, then wrote a simple prompt like, "She is wearing a cap," and hit generate. And boom! You can see that both images are generated perfectly. Nano Banana 2 has done a really clean job here. Now let's move to video creation. Go to Frame to Video and select Kling 3.0 or Kling 3.0 Omni. Kling 3.0 is good for general cinematic videos, while Omni is better for maintaining consistency across multiple shots. Before generating a video, make sure you have two images, a start frame and an end frame. Keep both frames similar. Only small changes should be there, like slight head movement or expression change. Now add both frames and write a simple motion prompt. Select video settings like duration and resolution, then click Generate. It may take a few minutes. Once done, you will get a smooth video with a consistent face and natural motion. Just look at the quality, it's honestly amazing. Here is another video created using the same method and featuring the Kling 3.0 Omni video model. The video follows the prompt perfectly, and most importantly, the face is 100% consistent. The influencer looks like a real model performing naturally on camera. I absolutely love this result. Also, you can upscale your video using the Video Upscaler feature. This will significantly improve the quality. You can even go up to 4K resolution. But yeah, keep one thing in mind. Higher quality means more credits will be used, so use it wisely. Now that was the first method to create videos. But OpenArt also has another feature where you can copy the exact motion from any other influencer or reference video. This feature is called Motion Sync. It's very simple to use, but extremely powerful. Just upload your character image, then add a motion reference. After that, describe the environment and other details of your shot, like camera movement, character facing, and overall style. I have used an optimized prompt here, but you can keep it short as well, no problem. Then choose character orientation, set the video mode to Pro, and hit generate. Now just watch this video. See how clean and smooth the motion is. The AI has synced and replicated the motion really well. It feels natural and professional. Honestly, this is amazing. You can simply add music to this and upload it on Reels or TikTok. I have created a few more videos using the motion sync feature, and you'll be surprised at how accurately the AI copies motion, while still keeping the character's face and body 100% consistent. Seriously, this feature is next level. There is also a lip sync feature if you want to create talking videos. You can explore that as well. Now finally, let's talk about monetization. Most people think AI influencers only earn from brand deals, but there is another way: subscription-based income. Platforms like Fanvue allow creators to share exclusive content and earn monthly income. Even with a smaller audience, this can work. For example, if you grow to around 30,000 followers and even 3% of them subscribe at $49 per month, you can generate a significant monthly income. So this can become a strong passive income source. That's it for this tutorial. Now you have the full process, from creating a character to generating content and monetizing it. Now it's your turn. Don't just watch this, go ahead and try it yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, because I'll be sharing more AI tools, automation workflows, and ways to make money online. Also, check the links in the description to get started, and if you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.